Alright, Veterans Day, November 11th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here along with the ATSF Railfan 1319 southbound that just met the Rattler M347 at Murray. Chivo Toledo's, check them out as we'll lean back and get them. Let's go. $28.94. U724. How about that? We're in the new 328 again. It's our second time now. U724 81. Minnesota. We'll head down for Contact, Louisiana. That'll do it for the U724 81 of the 11th. And we'll do it for that new C6M rebuild of the second batch of the 3328 that is second. Along with the 2894 to lead it and the 3948, the X City Rail. We'll do it for this video at Ladysmith.